Welcome to the Right Corner YouTube channel. If it's your first time tuning in, please subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Zimbabwe is set to build a World Cup stadium in Victoria Falls. According to the ZANU-PF political party on their X account, Zimbabwe will construct a multi-purpose stadium in Victoria Falls, set for completion by August 2025. The 10,000-seater venue, funded by Zimbabwe Cricket, will host various sports and meet international standards for the 2027 ICC World Cup. The project aims to boost tourism and sports infrastructure, creating jobs and supporting local communities. This statement from the ZANU-PF political party was married to some critics, as people were commenting that the upgrade of the Bulawayo Victoria Falls Road must start and be completed as a condition for the stadium construction. That's how development works: service, infrastructure first, and then the rest. If it's going to take 1 year, then it definitely won't be state of the art. I foresee something similar to Magaya Stadium. Problem is, you guys are all talk and no action. The only thing that will make this a success is that it is funded by the Zimbabwe Cricket. If it was government funded, we all know the results. Still waiting for Mbuzi to be completed. You better not show that money. We know you. If truly this happens, I will join ZANU-PF unconditionally. It's still early, guys. These are some of the comments that followed this statement from the ZANU-PF political party that Zimbabwe is set to build World Cup Stadium in Victoria Falls. Let's get to hear what you think about all this. Thank you for watching the Right Corner YouTube channel. Please subscribe.